Question 5. The line the y equal to 5 minus x is exactly the curve, the point P and Q. The length of PQ in the form the k square root of 2. Oh, no, this is quite longer exercise. The first one, you have to find the intersection point coordinate from the line and the curve. This one is a parabola, and this equation is a quadratic equation. So I have to set up a system equation first. And the second one, I will solve this system equation because the solution of this system equation is the coordinates of the two points P and Q. So I'm using the substitution method. 5 minus y, and after I change the position, I will got the minus 3. So from this exercise, I will using the delta, and you will find the h1 and h2. h1 will be equal to minus 1 and h2 will be equal to 3. So when h1 equal to minus 1, it means y1 is 6. Okay, 5 minus 1 is 6. So y2 will be equal to plus 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So the first point, for example, Q is minus 1 and 6. Q is 3 and 2. Yeah. So the length of the PQ when using by this formula to take the difference between the y coordinate square and the difference between the first coordinate square and the x coordinate square. So 4 square plus 4 square equal to square root of here, and you take the third 16 times with 2, and you will got the square root of 16 first, and the second radical is the square root of 2, and here you got 4 square root of 2. So this form is k square root of 2. This means k equal to 4 in this exercise. Okay, simultaneous for the power number. Yes, this question is not very difficult, but you have to know how to basic number, basic fundamental knowledge about the system equation. The first one I will keep unchanged, and I just change the base number from this here and here have to be equal together. I change the base number up to 9. It means the 2 square, and the outside is 2y, and it's also equal to 3 power to 4y. So you got the power number equal together, and they have the same base number. It means the power number has to be equal together. It means x minus 1 equal to 4y. And the second one, I will change this. I will change these two sides of this equation. Will have the basis number is the same. It means that 2 with 2. S will have the 2 cube, x minus 2, and 4 you will have the 2 cube, and the outside is 1 plus y. And then you will got the 3x minus 2, and 2 here is the 1 plus y. So they have the two base number equal together, so let's put the power number equal together. It means 3x minus 6 equal to 2 plus 2y. Okay, so this one is the first part of the linear equation, and this one is the second linear equation. I will take the x in the first one equal to 4y plus 1, and I will substitute an expression of x to the second one. It means I will got the 3 4y plus 1 minus 6 equal to 2 plus 2y. So 12y plus 3 minus 6 minus 2 minus 2y equal to 0, and you will get the 10y and minus 5 equal to 0. So y equal to 1 over 2, and value of x, y equal to 1 over 2, value of x is 4 times 1/2, it means 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So the system of equation is 3, x equal to 3, and y equal to a half. Okay, let's recheck. Yes, I think so. It's always satisfied this system equation. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, and in this video you will have maybe more than 3 parts of the system equation, but after that I just know about how to apply the substitution method. This method is very important to the solving simultaneous equation in the algebra 2 or a little bit in the algebra 1. And please like, share or subscribe if you think this video is useful for you for learning math in your school. Thank you so much.